So, welcome back to Clueless FM. This is just going to be a quick walkthrough of what ArcticSeaIce is doing so far in 2018. And this first chart is Pyomas Sea Ice volume year-to-date average. So you see in late February you have the average of all the sea ice volume so far this year, and the red line 2018 is second lowest, with 2017 as the lowest on record so far for volume. And next slide is extent, and you see you have the same concept here. Average so far is here and is lowest. 2018 is lowest, and you know, at previous stages of this graph you have the same concept with the average sea ice extent up until February 2nd, for instance. So yeah, so 2017 is second lowest and 2018 is lowest, the opposite of the situation for volume, but volume is a bit harder to assess, and volume may actually be closer to record low as well, but that's like output from a model, so it's not directly observable from space. The final slide is a chart for the Central Arctic Basin, which is the central part of the Arctic Ocean, with the North Pole, north of Greenland, and north of the Canadian Arctic Archipelago, and also the Lincoln Sea. And what you see here is the sea ice area, which is a more accurate measure for what part of the ocean is ice and what part is open water. It's more accurate than extent, because extent only takes 15% of the area has to be ice, and extent regards all of it as ice covered. So the astonishing thing here is that you have this lightning bolt shaped free fall graph for 2018. So it's gone down in a week. It's gone down 216,000 square kilometers, and it's actually lower than 4.1 million square kilometers, and that puts it at the level of early to mid-July for the previous years. That's how long you had to wait to get this much open water, or this this low sea ice cover in the CAB, in the Central Arctic Basin. So, you know, together with the lowest ever extent so far this year, and the second lowest, maybe lowest ever volume, you know, depending on who you trust, this could actually become a very serious situation for the Arctic Ocean come spring and summer and late summer. And I would say this is the best shot of a blue ocean event that we've seen since at least, you know, the last 5 years. To have this kind of collapse so early in the year and in the depth of winter, you know, when it's supposed to gather strength and thickness, the ice is actually cracking up at the heart of the formerly cold bastion of the Arctic Ocean. That's where we see the cracks, and that's where the sea is opening up. So, if anything, it's at least a bit exciting. Okay, take care and have a nice month till next time. Bye.